Okay, Genevieve, what time is it? It's time for the Silly Survey Sunday. That's right. She's so smart. What are we going to ask them to do now? Go to the favorite pen, because she's not going to wait for you. That's right. She's a genius.
Questions, I've got some questions I want to know you. But what if I could ask you only one thing, only this one time? What would you tell me?
Are you helping me answer the Silly Survey Sunday questions? This is where you're supposed to say yes. Yes? See, it's like she really said it.
So, what book are you reading currently? Do people still read? I'm reading the Zen of Motorcycle Repair or something like that. I'm honestly only on chapter 3. She kind of takes a lot of time. What time is it right now? It is currently 3:29 p.m. on a Sunday. What's on your mouse pad? I don't have a mouse pad. What's your favorite board game? Mine would be Quelf. Yeah, there's some links. What side of the sidewalk do you walk on? I walk on the right side of the sidewalk. Do you have a cat? I do. I have 2 cats. Where do you put your kitty litter? And I put the kitty litter in the storage closet. The door's not shut because the cats need to get in here. And that's why you also need to plug your nose for this next part. Okay, go on in. That's where I keep the kitty litter. They go in there, then I don't have to smell it. I know many people, and most people end up putting it in the living room or the bathroom. I don't know why you'd want it in the bathroom. Like, yes, that's where the crapper is, but that's also where you shower and try to clean and brush your teeth. Ugh. And then I know some people who don't clean it very often. It's disgusting. What's your favorite smell? Mine would be cinnamon. Do you eat the stems of your broccoli? I do, if they're cooked well. Is the glass half empty or half full? Depends on what's inside it. If it's something I want, it's half empty. If it's something I'd rather not have, it's half full. Do you type with your fingers on the right keys? That would be a yes. What's under your bed? 6-month-old baby clothes, 8-month-old baby clothes, 18-month, all the way up until she's 6 years old. I have boxes and boxes and boxes of clothes under my bed. Anyway, that's all for this week's Silly Survey Sunday.
This has been a B-Wings production.
You watching me? You fit the phone? I mean, the camera? You want the camera? She's trying to type.